stepping into a transformed and 1990s-era house, demonstrating a keen eye for creative solutions and custom details. A kitchen design with a dramatic 16-foot-high ceiling that follows the roof's pitch and unusually shaped, large windows. Innate Studio, a Connecticut-based residential architecture and interior design firm, has undertaken a notable home project in Wilton, Connecticut, showcasing their integrated approach to design. The firm, known for its holistic design practice, seamlessly blends architectural and interior design to create spaces that are both beautiful and inherently livable. The kitchen with light fixture from Allied Maker serves as a central focal point, echoing the semicircular shape of an existing archtop window, the faucet's arc, and the cabinet pulls, creating a unified aesthetic. The dining room, for instance, features a hand-painted silk mural depicting songbirds and flowering branches, which harmonizes with the views of the woods through floor-to-ceiling windows. The flooring was replaced with European oak wide plank flooring, and colonial-style stair balusters were updated for a more modern look. Throughout this home, Innate Studio incorporated natural materials such as lime wash, Roman clay, and nature-inspired wall coverings to connect the interiors with the almost 13-acre private outdoor surroundings. Even in more private spaces, the careful consideration of decor and design is evident. The master bedroom's main bathroom, for instance, incorporates a lime wash on the walls and ceiling, beautifully relating to the soft veining in the Bianco Carrera tile and countertop. The strategic relocation of a door in the powder room, coupled with a custom quartzite stone sink and unlacquered brass wall mount faucet, transforms a small space into a visually impactful one, further enhanced by a custom-colored Roman clay wall treatment that extends to the ceiling. For children's spaces, Innate Studio incorporated elements like custom-built dressers and Montessori-style shelving, reflecting a practical yet aesthetically pleasing approach to tailored design for specific needs. The overarching theme throughout the Wilton home is the creation of a deeply personal and cohesive environment, where every design choice, from the bold marble to the subtle textures, contributes to a sense of timeless beauty and innate livability.